Hey the greedy family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey the greedy family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have...
She finally did it. She made the spicy shrimp.
Whoa! I made the Jamaican spicy shrimp or pepper shrimp.
Pepper shrimp.
That you get on the roadside.
Roadside pepper shrimp, you know the thing set. You know.
Now, before we devour this shrimp, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap. Yeah.
We're back. I'm not gonna say it. You already know that I love First Lady outfit, and I know y'all love it too. I could tell.
Guys, this is a meal that I was making and preparing while we did our pop-up live yesterday.
/ video.
I hope you guys enjoyed the live because we definitely enjoyed the live. We're ready to dig in. You know something, Fred?
Shrimp and spicy like you.
Remember the guy in the food truck?
Want me to try first? Look, family.
It's hot, guys.
This is hot. I don't want it to burn y'all. Hope it don't burn y'all. Y'all can see first to do your trick.
Yes, yep.
Yep. I don't want it to burn y'all, so y'all just take a little bite. Yes, my hand is clean. Don't worry. All right.
And we have this shrimp with the head on.
Yes,
Some of the head fell off, but that's okay. Honey, that is so
Hot too.
good.
Nice too. Well seasoned. Wait a minute, First Lady. We gotta ask them.
Ooh.
How do you eat your shrimp? You eat everything head on and everything? Cause I do. We First Lady pick it up and then she suck on the skin.
The sauce is
Nice, man. I eat everything. One shot. This is good. Damn.
This is so good, guys. I want to put shrimp in it?
I know shrimp, man. Don't worry, man. No shrimp have big belly. Whatever we don't eat, they're gonna help us eat. They're helping us right now. No lie. This is good. For all the shrimp lovers, here you go.
I have to,
The head right here.
this sauce is delicious.
Wow. Make sure I consume my thing, you know.
All of the juice is inside the shell.
That's why I'm not taking my shell, so I'm eating everything at the same time.
Gosh.
Wow.
But honey, do you guys eat the shell? Eat the shrimp with
The head on?
with the head on? Do you guys like that?
Yeah. Let us know. As I said, I do. Just go in the same place. Yes.
You know what? You know what I like about these shrimps?
Yeah.
They're sweet. You know that, right? I can't eat the shell.
Man, yummy.
Can't swallow it.
Alright?
Pepper.
Go make juice. A lot of pepper in it. And yeah, I know you love pepper. New family members, we love pepper.
And I was gonna put 2 times spicy in here too.
I know how I say you crazy.
That's why the pepper already.
Pepper here, man. Nice, sweet, though.
This is the best part too. Is
I like the head part. All the juice in here.
all the juice.
Yep. So this is what she was making. I told you, I say I smelt it. I know you did.
You guys have been asking for us to make pepper shrimp for a while now. You guys asked a while ago. And I did say I was going to make it. So I'm making it.
And we love those comments in the live yesterday about the stuff y'all want us to try. And we sure gonna do it.
Sure pepper bite, honey? You know why it's pepper? Because you're eating everything.
I don't care what you want to tell me. I'm gonna have it.
I'm just having the
You got everything on the show, everything.
Me not on the show.
This is good. Take too long to go pop out the shell, man.
What are you saying again?
Take too long to pop out the shell. I can't pop out the shell.
It does take a little time though, but it's worth it.
Wow.
Guys, if you could only taste this shrimp, oh my gosh.
Shrimp, we appreciate y'all today. We have a lot of shrimp lovers too.
Oops, sorry guys.
When I bite it, I gotta close my eye because I don't want to sting fry my eye. You need some help?
I'm enjoying this shrimp. So, the video that we dropped the other day with the story time with Tamia with the beads in her nose. I had said that Tamia never wanted to sleep in her bed, and that's another story time.
It's a top block.
And you guys want to hear the story, so I'm going to tell that story today. I know you guys, okay, I know you guys are wondering, like, you have a lot of stories about Tamia, but not as much as Vincent, because Tamia was bad.
Bad.
Tamia was bad. She's a girl. They have their attitudes, and they think they're grown. Vincent was a quiet kid.
Still is.
But TikTok really got him out of his shell.
Yeah, move fast by the street, man.
I was hungry. You guys know how many times I said I was hungry in that live? I couldn't wait.
You did a good job.
Thank you, baby.
Good though. And that's the point of it. Eat at your own risk.
First of all, excuse me. The one in Jamaica,
10 times hot.
10 times hotter. And they have pieces of scotch bonnet pepper in the bag.
These are good.
Oh. You know, it's so funny. I told you guys before that. Oh, honey, I'm tasting the pepper now. I told you guys before that, I mean, I will eat shrimp, but after a while, I'm like, okay, I've had enough. But something about pepper shrimp,
Good.
maybe it's because I don't like it fried. I'm not a fan of fried shrimp. Too much batter. But I am a fan of like pepper shrimp and seafood boils. I said the sauce tastes so nice.
Do we act on how they doing?
I think you did, but it doesn't hurt to add
Oh
some
my
again.
God, I'm sorry, family. We just got caught up in this deliciousness. How y'all doing? Sorry. I said I'm sorry. Don't be mad. It happens sometimes, you know? When you're just talking and just, you know what I mean? Stuff flip your mind, you know? I know y'all good, though. I know y'all good.
This is so good.
I'm glad y'all good, you know? Cause we good too. So, enjoy with us now. Don't be shy, it's a lot. Ain't just me and her. So, feel free to take what you want. Your choice. First lady is good.
So, I'm gonna tell you guys a story time while I'm eating. I've mastered how to eat my food and tell a story time. So, you think so?
Yeah, I mean, can't go and eat while you talk. Damn. Sure, nice one.
Oh my god, we're not lying, guys. This shrimp is so good.
They know we're not lying, cause they said it. They smelled it, yeah.
Tamia did not stop sleeping in our bed until she was about 12 years old.
Pop blocker.
And Tamia used to come out of her room
In the dark. Pick the dog. Let them know that too.
in the dark, 1 o'clock at night.
Yes. But also she's afraid of the dog, but she walked all the way to her room. Okay. Finish your story first, lady.
Tamia has to sleep with a nightlight. Okay? So, Tamia will walk in the dark to our room and I'm thinking about the different things that she's told us. My tummy hurt. I'm sick. I'm scared. All the excuses you can think of. So, for example, she will come in the room and look at me, my love, and I'll be sleeping now, and Tamia will be like this. Look how you look at me.
In your face.
Just like that. And something would just say, wake up, and I will wake up, and she's right in my face like this.
Yeah.
And I'm like, Tamia, stop! And she's like, Mommy, can I have milk? And I'm like, Tamia, go to your bed. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. She's like, but I'm scared. I want to sleep with you and Daddy. I would say, no. Sleep in your own bed. You're a big girl. Tamia will go to her bed, go to her room. Half an hour later, when she think we're sleeping, she will come back. So if you're tired, what you gonna do, family? You're just gonna say, just get in the bed. But tomorrow, you're not sleeping in the bed. Tomorrow come, she do the same thing. So one night, I said, I got something for you. I'm gonna get the belt.
Excuse me.
Now, I grew up on beatings. And I believe in beatings. But I don't beat my kids. Okay? Now, I've given them spankings. But I don't beat them like the way how I used to get beaten as a kid. Or how Richie used to get beaten as a kid.
You already know.
You have to break the cycle. So, I got something for her. I'm gonna have the belt right by my bedside table. And as soon as she come in the room, I'm gonna swing the belt. Not hit her, just swing the belt to scare her. So I said, Tamia, I have the belt. I'm gonna sleep with the belt tonight. Don't come in our room.
Yeah.
And she said, okay, Mommy, I won't. Every night. Okay, Mommy, I'm a big girl. I'm gonna sleep in my bed. Yeah, right. So she come into the room now. Same thing.
Looking at it like, what's that movie called? When the guy was running.
A movie where the guy was running.
No.
That's any movie, my love.
Don't look back or don't stop. But, you know what I'm talking about. Well, we get to it later.
We get to it later.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, my love. I can't remember. I know that one. So, see?
Beard.
Beard none.
Nice, man. Hot boy.
So, she come in the room, and I jump up, and I grab the belt. By the time I could grab the belt, Tamia's already in her room. And at the time, she was like 4. Yeah. I never seen little legs move that fast in all my life. She was gone.
Fast.
You would think that would be it. I woke up in the morning saying, yes! Tamia finally did sleep in our bed. I turned my head. Who was there? Tamia. Cock up in the bed. How she got there, I don't know.
I don't know. But listen, remember if you come in there too and then... Oh, you don't finish that? Go ahead.
Another time, she came in there. I said, Daddy, I heard a noise in my room. That's all Richie had to hear. Richie jump up. You know, he got, jumped up.
Police in the building, a.k.a. Police Richie. Nice, man.
It's good, man. Richie jump up. Start checking windows. Checking doors.
We're not in the building, huh?
Tamia telling him that she heard a noise. I said, Richie, you know that Tamia playing games with you. She ain't hear no noise. I heard like, I gotta check it anyway. All right, that's 2. Another time.
All excuses, Charlie.
Tamia come in the room. So she decided, you know what? I ain't dealing with you, mommy. I'm gonna go through daddy. So she start waiting until I fall asleep and then go to daddy. Daddy, can I sleep with you? Daddy. And Richie be like, just come into bed, man. Just come into bed. I'm sleepy. Just come into bed. And she did that too. Another time. So I'm telling you guys, 12 years old.
12 years old.
It got to the point where Richie and I, because Richie and I, we're small. So it got to the point where Richie and I had to get a king size bed because there was no space in the king size bed.
Yep.
Even when we got a king size bed, you guys, Richie was on this end and I was on this end and Timmy was in the middle, spread out. Kicking us. Okay. One morning now I wake up. I turn. Again. She's getting to the point where she's not even asking. We just wake up and she's in the bed.
Regular traveler.
So, Tamia, I turn my head, and I see Tamia sleeping on top of Richie. On Richie's back. On top of Richie's back. I saw Tamia sleeping on top of Richie's back.
Yes, my back. How the hell's Richie here?
Okay, you guys have to picture this now. Richie is laying on his stomach and he's like this. You know when you're sleeping, you're on your stomach like this? And Tamia is laying on Richie's stomach like this. I mean, and then she had the nerve to toss, like move. But this time now, she spread out like this. On Richie, not beside him, not halfway on Richie. She was sleeping directly on Richie's back. I don't know why I didn't get a camera or get my phone and take a picture of it. But to this day, I wish I had.
That's crazy. For real, on my back.
I said, Richie, wake up. Richie, wake up. And he was like, what is this on my back? What is...
I girl see bad. Sleepwalk, she has sleepwalk.
Yo, I'ma say the girl tortured us for 12 years, my youth.
Straight cop blocking, son. You know, cop blocker.
So that's Tamia. Sleeping in the bed. And she don't care. So much excuses that girl gave us. So much.
Well, that night, when you got that belt, that girl, take what I tell her. Yo, family. When first time you got that belt, all you hear is a little footstep. In the dark, I remember she's afraid of the dark. I said, yeah, how this girl gonna be afraid of the dark? But she walked through the whole house in the dark. You know she was lying. She just didn't want to stay in her room. Yep. You know what I'm saying? Yo, when that girl took off, oh my God, we laughed. In the middle of the night. But look, after that, she never come back.
She didn't. No, she came back the night.
Oh my God.
She still came back.
That was so funny. I mean, the pitch dark. The house is dark. How the hell she see to run through the house to go to her room? Yo, her little feet was running. I'm like, yo, this little girl's something down there. Running.
Yo.
Huh.
I was. It was torture. And then one day, I don't know what happened. She just started sleeping in her bed.
She's a big girl now.
12.
12 years old. 12 years of cop blocking.
Tortured us.
Alright.
The little girl. Vincent said, no, I'm good. I sleep in my own bed. He never wanted to sleep in my bed, in our bed.
But now it's like she love her room now.
Now,
Can't get her to come out of the room.
You can't get her to come sleep with us.
Yep.
She'd be like, I like my bed. And then, if I go in her room and even lay on her bed, she's like,
Right. Why are you here?
what's going on?
Bed soft, bro.
You're not sleeping with me, are you? I'm like, yes, I am.
Pastor Rich in the building, you know? It's going to be a short one today. Yesterday, I gave you a long one. It's going to be a short one today. So, listen up, family. All right. A true friend is one who overlooks your failures and tolerates your success. Yes, I said it. A true friend. A true friend is one who overlooks your failures, my list tongue, and tolerates your success.
That's a good one.
A good one.
That's an excellent one.
All right.
Oh, my goodness. This is so good. I don't know what to say.
Oh, delicious. Oh, I got my part. Nice. Don't forget to like. We shared. Comment, subscribe for all the new family members. You already know. That's Shanice and this is Richie, aka First Lady. Do you think?
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.